Welcome to the Jawbook Setup series. In this series, I'll show you step by step how to set up Cyanic Jawbook. Jawbook is a project management system designed for field service companies. It was built especially for engineering and land surveying companies. This series is for anyone setting up Jawbook so their staff can start using it right away. Each video is short and focused, covering the basic functions of the system. By the end, you'll have a fully working project management system for your survey company. To learn how to use Jawbook day to day, check out our Jawbook How to Use guide. You'll find the links in the description below. If you want to dive into advanced reporting features, see our Jawbook reporting guide. That link is also in the description below. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up offices in Jawbook. In future videos, I'll walk you through setting up line items, rate sheets, and users. Hope you enjoy the series.